Hi everyone, back again for a second video for a scratch at the cat's eye. I forgot to mention before, the size of the board that I'm using is a 5.7 Ampersand scratch board, and I also forgot to mention not to touch the board with your fingers because we have oils on our fingers and it will leave marks on the board, so be very careful. That's why I have a cloth, or if you would like to use cotton gloves is good if you feel comfortable with them. And yeah, just don't be careful not to touch the board with your fingers. So I've gone and just scratched one coat all around here. Now I'm going to scratch along the nose line. Okay, I'll start scratching up this end. See that? And I'll work from the outside in at the moment, just to get the shape in. And these are little strokes, just little strokes. Remember to blow as you go along. Just come around the nose a little. Again, we'll come back and we'll put the highlights in by scratching more. There's many techniques to scratch at, but I'm teaching you at the moment just the basic strokes to complete this design. The design I traced on the board also with a graphic paper, white graphic paper. And put in enough detail to make it easier for you when you're the direction you're going to be scratching in. There's a short little strokes here. I'll jump onto the nose in a minute and I'll show you the little strokes for that. For around the nose here, I try to just dab it. See how it's little scratchy little strokes? And I'll do that all over the nose. Just leave a black line down here to separate the top of the cat from the nose, just a little. But if for some reason you cover it in, it doesn't matter, because you'll have the black Indian ink, which you can touch that in afterwards. But if you can leave it, do that. It just makes it a little bit easier. I have a step-by-step e-packet for the cat, if anyone's interested to follow on an e-packet. I can send it to you. Okay, now we'll go over that again because we can scratch that a little bit lighter here just to give it a little highlight. And the colour that we put on this afterwards will grab more to the clay, the lighter, than what it will in this area here. So that's as far as we'll go there, I think. And then bring this in. Okay. As we come down here, there's a little bit of shadow, so don't press as heavy down here. And that'll give you, yeah, it's not as bright. And it's still short little strokes on the top of the nose. Okay, as we come up there a little bit longer. Remember to blow that Indian ink away as you scratch it off. Because if you don't, you dig it back into the board again, which leaves quite a heavy scratch mark. Just be careful of the direction. Keep watching the direction. We've got a little area here that comes out like that. Make them a wee bit longer. It comes round the eye there. Like so. And then you're back to your strokes again. On that direction. Okay, if you can manage to scratch this far, I will come back in the next video and we'll take it up here and this little area here, and then we'll go back all over it again. Okay, thanks for watching again. Catch you in the next video. Bye.